Hi guys, this is Devojyoti here and today I'm at Bhoj Company, and this outlet of Bhoj Company is located at a 5-minute walking distance from Esplanade Metro. Bhoj Company specializes in authentic traditional Bengali delicacies, and as always I'll drop the Google Map link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. The dim lit restaurant, along with an aura of Epar Opar Bangla, will surely give a electric feel to the Bengali inside you. These are the overall items which I have ordered. We have 2 starters and a prawn pulao along with few main courses. Watch the full video to know more. Guys, we have the Vetki fish fry, and it's one of the signature items of Bhoj Company. The size of the fish fry is mammoth, and it's accompanied with a fistful of French fry which is tossed with crushed black peppers. And you can judge it by its size. It's almost the size of my face. It's that large, justifying the price they are charging for, because size sometimes matter. Oh, just see the amount of fish it contains. এরকম মনে হয় যে একদম ঠিক ব্যাটার দিয়ে মাছটাই কম, এখানে কিন্তু সেরকম না, যথেষ্ট অ্যামাউন্টের মাছ দেওয়া রয়েছে। অ্যান্ড ইটস ভেরি ক্রিস্পি অ্যান্ড ফ্লেকি, অ্যান্ড এর সাথে কাসুন্দি না নিলে জাস্টিস হবে না। The fish is very fresh and the outer layer is very crispy. It's very flavorful. Doshe dosh. Over here we have Gondhra chicken fries, and this is one of the signature items of Bhoj Company. Basically you get boneless chicken shreds which has been infused in Gondhraj marination, and the cost is 240 rupees. Boneless chicken shreds has been used. And don't forget to squeeze a bit of Gondhraj lemon before you have it to elevate its taste even more. It's truly awesome. The flavor of Gondhraj is very subtle. It's not overpowering in any way. And it's a must try if you are in this restaurant. And the dry red chilies give a good kick of flavor to it. Truly awesome. Over here we have Chingi Pulao, which costs 260 rupees, and it's garnished very nicely with fried onions and prawns. And once again এটার থেকেও একটা অপূর্ব মারাত্মক লেভেলের গন্ধ বেরোচ্ছে, and I literally can't resist myself. Generous amounts of prawn. পেঁয়াজের বেরেস্তাও দেওয়া রয়েছে ভালো কোয়ান্টিটির। And it's not that ওপরটাই শুধু prawn দিয়ে সাজিয়ে দেওয়া রয়েছে. Every spoon has got 2-3 prawns when I scoop it. The cost of jhuri aloo bhaja is 70 rupees, and there is no way you can skip this item once you visit these authentic Bengali places like Bhoj Company or 6 Baliganj place. So this is one of the must try items, কারণ এত সুন্দর আলু ভাজা at least সবার বাড়িতে রোজ রোজ হয় না, at least আমার বাড়িতে হয় না. And it has got curry leaves and dry red chilies. Over here we have the ঝুরঝুরে আলু ভাজা, and এবার আমি জানি অনেকে কমেন্ট করবে যে পোলাওয়ের সাথে ঝুরঝুরে আলু ভাজা কে খায়, বাট জেনারেলি আমার এতটাও পেটে স্পেস নেই যে আমি আবার সাদা ভাত নেবো আলাদা করে, বাট অ্যাজ ঝুরঝুরে আলু ভাজা ইজ ওয়ান অফ মাই ফেভারিট আইটেমস, তাই নিতে বাধ্য হলো। ফার্স্ট আই উইল ট্রাই আ বিট অফ ঝুরঝুরে আলু ভাজা, একটু শুধুই খেয়ে দেখি কেমন লাগে। মারাত্মক খেতে, সব জায়গায় আলু ভাজা অতটাও ক্রিস্পি হয় না বা ফ্লেভারফুল হয় না। দ্যাটস ওয়াই ঝুরঝুরে আলু ভাজা ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য রেকমেন্ডেড আইটেমস বাই মি অফ দিস রেস্টুরেন্ট। Speaking of the prawn pulao, as I have already mentioned, it has got adequate amount of fried onions. Mind blowing. The prawn pulao itself is so flavorful that you won't require any other side dishes. Over here we have Bhoj special kochu pata chingri. Basically Cocolacia leaves has been steamed and cooked with mustard and prawns to give a authentic unique taste. সর্ষের তেল is literally glistening on its sides. চিংড়ির সাইজটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যথেষ্ট বড় and কোয়ান্টিটিও যথেষ্ট আছে for 2 persons. দুর্দান্ত খেতে। It's mustardy, spicy and কচু পাতা একটা আলাদাই ফ্লেভার আসছে and চিংড়িটা is elevating its taste even now. আপনারা খেয়ে দেখলে বুঝতে পারবেন না যে এটা কতটা অপূর্ব খেতে। We have Golda Chingri Malai curry which costs 290 rupees. You get 2 large pieces of jumbo sized prawns and once again the curry of this Malai curry is red due to high level of spices. আর একটু পোলাও নিয়ে নিচ্ছি কারণ আরও অনেক কটা আইটেমস বাকি আছে। By looking at the curry you can understand the level of spiciness. The prawns are of decent size. Oh wow, just see the amount of head butter it contains. এই চিংড়ি মাছের মাথার ঘিটাই আসল টেস্ট চিংড়ি মাছের যেটা আমি এখন খেতে চলেছি। Once again the prawn curry is also very nice but frankly speaking কচু পাতা ভাপা prawn was best. Over here we have pabda macher dhone pata jhal which costs 270 rupees and the size of the pabda is jumbo one and it's having a very nice aroma of cilantro leaves. Generous amounts of black cumin seeds has also been used. And guys, just look at the size of the pabda. Once again it's size of my face and that's why they call it jumbo. And I think they are justifying for the size they are providing and I will taste it now. The fish is very fresh and no stains of blood. Generally পাবদা খেলে অনেক সময় দেখি যে এই কাঁটার জায়গাগুলোতে একটু ব্লাড কাইন্ড অফ রেডিশ থাকে but this is not the case over here. Hetki Paturi Bhoj special which costs 290 rupees and it's having a very nice mustardy aroma. My mouth is literally watering when I am making this video. And the size of the Vetki fish fillet is also praiseworthy and once again the size is decent. The boneless Vetki fish fillet is very fresh, no fishy or gamey smell whatsoever and it has absorbed the flavor of the mustardy paste really well. Over here we have a fresh lime. বেসিক্যালি এত ঝাল মশলা খাওয়ার পর একটু প্যালেটটা ক্লিনস করা দরকার। It has got decent amount of fish to it but nothing that exceptional to gauge about. The cost of mutton dak banglo is 410 rupees. You get 4 medium sized mutton pieces in a spicy concoction of different Bengali herbs and spices and is garnished with chopped cilantro leaves. The mutton pieces are literally swimming in spicy oil and it's having a mouth-watering aroma. The sizes are a bit disappointing for me at least but coming to the curry, it's very spicy. First let me taste the curry. The curry is super flavorful and aromatic and spicy all at the same time. And moving on to the mutton pieces, the mutton piece is very soft and it tastes really nice but I think the quantity didn't justify the price they have charged, but overall it tastes really nice. Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel, and do download my Google Play Store app and follow me at Zomato and Instagram as I post the pictures of food photography over there. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.